Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF. Let's make it a great one, folks. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 41, Nasdaq up 10, S&P's up 3.5, gold contract flat, 1302.80, silver down 3 cents, $16.78 an ounce. Light sweet crude also flat, $65.64 a barrel. Notes and bonds, 119.19, 10-year note, 30-year bond, 143.06. King dollar up 169 ticks, trading 93.545. The euro is trading 117.68 to 1 US dollar. Yen is at 109.47 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Let's go over to the SPY first. Bottom line, you're going to finish at highs for the week. SPY, bottom line is off its high. The high in the SPY goes back to the 26th of January. That high is out there at 286. We're at 277 right now. We take this, we put this on a weekly basis, and what you're going to see up here, bottom line is that you're right next to the swing point from the 16th, which is 280. That's saying, hey, guess what? Game to get hit at 280 is there. We're at 277, 850 right now. Different ball game in the NDX 100. What we have with the NDX 100, the 3 Qs, we take a look at the 3 Qs. 3 Qs look like they're going to fail on price, fail on volume on a weekly basis. What we would need is this. You need to close over $175.21 inside the Qs. Right now you're at 174.44. We've done thus far in a weekly 135 million. It was going into 193 million. The composite, that's your NDX. We go take a look at the composite. Composite, same type of setup. What we have with the composite. Composite hit all-time highs this week. We were taking out the March highs. That being said, let's put this back on a weekly and see where we stand. Composite right now, we're at 76.43. It's cool. Okay, so the composite is over that number. So 76.37 is the number. Right now, you're at 76.43. You close where you close. That's saying the composite could go higher. Small caps. We go take a look at the small caps. The IWM we use for the small caps right now. Bottom line, that's closing at all-time highs. You're at 166.43. Good move. No juice under the move, but bottom line is that you got the move. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract, folks, still going sideways out here. No bids inside that contract. We did get down to $12.96. Rejected it. You're at $13.03. Bottom line, still trying to get up into its higher range. The higher range inside gold starts at $13.15. Each and every time we get up to even the $13.07, $13.08 number, they sell it down. They haven't been able to get it into the swing lows, but the bottom line, they are selling it down. Silver, different animal. Silver had a really nice week out here. Silver contract trading at $16.78. And what you're going to see with silver, just a different animal altogether. We did 70,000 contracts out here today. Yesterday we did 124,000. We did 116,000 on Wednesday. Bottom line, silver is building cause to run after these swing points of 1742, which is April 19th, as well as 1787. If we go over to the SLV and we take a look at the SLV, which of course trades the ETF, there we go. Sorry about that. We did the SLV. SLV out here, $15.77. Bottom line, SLV is a decent setup. That little baby also went topside, had volume on the daily, had volume on the weekly. We did a big expansion. Last week it did 26 million. The prior week it did 29 million. We're pushing higher this week with 31 million. Notes and bonds. Okay, well, here, let's go to oil first. So Oil just refuses to die also, folks. The bottom line is that oil looks like it continues to want higher price. You're laying out here at the 65 level. What we had with oil this particular week, this little baby traded from the lows of 64.22 up until today 66.24, and we'll see whether it can get back inside the higher range where it basically broke down from. What we have with oil, you had a major breakdown on the 25th. That's when we went from $70.80 down to $67.42, fast, furious, all of the above. So I suspect we're going to test that number one, which is the 67.55 area. Notes and bonds still have strength. This is pretty amazing. There's no two ways about it. Now, what we're coming into next week, we get the Fed meeting next week. The Fed, it's almost 100% probability in the Fed fund futures rate that they're going to go up 25 basis points. That being said, this note and bond market will not back off. If we take a look at the 10-year note, what we have with the 10-year note out here is this. 10-year note is trading 119.20. Anything above the 114 area, that was the huge strength 2 weeks ago Tuesday. This thing wants higher price. Big time, too. We're going to take a look at the TLT, the 20-year bond fund ETF. Same type of setup. Had a huge day, of course, 2 weeks ago Tuesday. That's when it went to 122. We back down with light volume. You get another huge day yesterday. We take a look at this in the weekly, and with the weekly, you're going to see it works both ways, that you get a rejection of lower price. You had lighter volume as you were going into the last bar. Bottom line, they both want higher price. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar is going to be intriguing watching this baby shake out. So we had King Dollar yesterday come down, dramatically light volume. Actually, let's go start. We're going to start on Tuesday, actually. Wednesday. King Dollar gets to a price point of 93,385. You had decent volume on the way down. It broke into the 93,480, rejected it. Yesterday, anemic volume. Went higher today, guess what? You get anemic volume. This very well looks like it's building a small ABC structure on the way down. It looks like next week we're going to try to break into this lower level once again. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.